Game title 15 is used to help figure out which sound file names are used for which actions on the pinball machine. To set to game 15, set the last 4 dip switches to on. This will automatically use sound bank 7, which has all the numbers called out for each of the file names. So I got the game powered up now, and you can see what it does for all the sounds. Let's coin up.
205.
That's the sound for coining up. Let's start the game up.
237. 211. 233. 226.
Put a drop target down.
230.
230.
230.
Same sounds for those two. What's a pop bumper?
235.
What's an out lane?
227.
How about this one?
229.
Is this drop target different?
230.
Now the spinners are, you gotta do it just once.
247.
Otherwise,
247.
kind of interesting.
234. 228.
Let's try playing a game this way and see what it sounds like.
243. 233. 248. 233. 235, 226, 230, 247, 247, 249, 233, 200, 231, 230,